It has been 64 years since NASA began its efforts, and in that time, astronauts have landed on the moon, stationed a robot on Mars, and discovered thousands of exoplanets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. Scientists are even able to explore 95% of the invisible space, which consists of dark energy, dark matter, and dark radiation. The size of the universe is difficult to comprehend, and it is expanding even faster than scientists first believed. Even though humans will never be able to map out the entire universe, that does not stop them from exploring it. As part of National Space Day is celebrated on May 6th, Stacker compiled a list of some mind-blowing discoveries about the universe after searching news archives and NASA reports. So let's talk about those space discoveries in today's video. Welcome to the Space Discoveries! Subscribe to the channel for every single detail about the new discoveries in the vastness of the space. Also, do not forget to hit that bell icon for new updates. Having said that, let's begin. Number 1. Super Earth. It was discovered in 2017 that an exoplanet with a mass almost 3 times that of the Earth was discovered by A. Suarez Mascareño and her team with the HARPS and spectrograph on the Telescopio Nacional Galileo off the coast of Spain. The Super Earth is located at a distance of 21 light-years away and orbits its M-dwarf star in only 2 weeks. Scientists believe that these common planet types could support life. Number 2. Ice volcanoes. NASA's Dawn mission in 2015 discovered a single mountain that looked like a volcano near the equator of the dwarf planet Ceres. Apparently, NASA reports that this mountain, named Ahona Mons, formed as a cryovolcano that releases frigid, salty water, sometimes mixed with mud, as opposed to molten rock like a volcano on Earth would. Number 3. Potentially habitable planets. Ross 128b, a planet about the size of the Earth, was discovered in 2017 by Javier Bonfil, a scientist at the Institute of Planetology and Astrophysics of Grenoble at the University of Grenoble-Alpes in France. It is thought that this is the closest planet to our solar system that is potentially habitable. Now, number 4, collision of neutron stars. In 2017, scientists filmed 2 neutron stars as they collided with each other. It is believed that when a star runs out of energy, it collapses into itself, resulting in either a neutron star or a black hole. The discovery reveals that these high-powered impacts do not only produce gravitational waves so that there is a ripple in space-time, but they also produce heavy elements, such as gold and platinum. Number 5. Ultramassive black holes. As mentioned in number 4, that when a star dies, it is transformed into an invisible part of the space, called a black hole. Due to their enormous gravitational pull, they are capable of engulfing both matter and light. It was recently announced that NASA's Chandra X-ray telescope had discovered ultramassive black holes that are 10 times larger than originally thought and are growing faster than the stars in their galaxies. Scientists at the University of Montreal and the Institute of Space Sciences in Spain conducted an analysis of 72 galaxies that all had supermassive black holes in their central regions, something that most galaxies are known to have. Number 6. Alcohol-spewing comet. A team of scientists led by Nicolas Biver of the Paris Observatory in France reported back in 2015 that Comet Lovejoy left a trail of ethyl alcohol, which is the same substance found in wine. The team found that 21 organic molecules had been found, including a type of sugar. The discovery of organic materials in comets confirms the theory that these celestial bodies may have contained elements necessary to create life. Don't you want to just carry your snacks in a space shuttle and go there? Anyway, coming on to number 7. Planet-building clumps. Scientists reported in 2018 that they found evidence of pebble accretion, the theory that golf ball-sized clumps of space dust accumulated to make tiny planets called planetesimals during the early stages of planet formation. Scientists at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston and NASA's Ames Research Center in Mountain View, California, have published research findings in Astromaterials, Research and Exploration Science Division. Number 8. Possibility of life on Jupiter's moon. According to a study that was published in 2017, scientists have found evidence of shifting tectonic plates on Jupiter's icy moon, Europa, which has a balance between hydrogen and oxygen similar to our planets. The findings seem to support the hypothesis that life may be able to flourish on Europa. Despite the fact that the ocean is frozen 10 miles below the surface, future missions might attempt to determine if the water is warm enough beneath the surface to support life. Now, number 9. Star-sucking black holes. According to the All-Sky Automated Survey for Supernovae, the ASSN 15LH tidal disruption event, which was observed in 2015, caused the light to shine 20 times brighter than the entire Milky Way's output. Researchers from the Weizmann Institute of Science in Israel, led by Georgios Leloudas, explained in a paper published in 2016 that the explosion was not a supernova, but a star dying after being sucked in by a supermassive black hole. Their research shows that, unlike stationary black holes that can only affect stars within their event horizon, spinning black holes can pull in celestial bodies that are outside of their event horizon. Number 10. Water on the moon. NASA found water on the sunlit surface of the moon, adding to the mystery of the moon's surface. In 2018, scientists found ice on the moon's north and south poles, but these new findings confirm the presence of water molecules, the same stuff we drink on Earth. Scientists made the discovery using NASA's Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, SOFIA, a modified Boeing 747 SP with a powerful telescope that picked up the wavelength of water molecules in the moon's Clavius crater. Number 11. Buckyballs. Scientists believe that the spherical hollow carbon molecules in the Milky Way are the basis of the bands of light that travel through the galaxy. They were named by the architect Buckminster Fuller in the 1930s. The buckyballs may also be a source of organic molecules that are essential to the origin of life in the universe. Number 12. Iron and titanium outside the solar system. For the first time, iron and titanium have been found on a planet outside the solar system by astronomers in 2018. KELT 9b, which was first discovered by a team led by astronomer Scott Gowdy of Ohio State University, is the hottest exoplanet yet to be discovered. Number 13. Monster Galaxy. Scientists from around the world have mapped out a rapidly expanding galaxy called Cosmos Aztec 1 in order to learn how it creates stars at a rate 1,000 times faster than our own Milky Way galaxy. Led by Dr. Kenichi Tadaki of the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan, the team used Chile's Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array Telescope to better understand the galaxy, which has a gravitationally unstable gas disk that's responsible for star formation. Originally published in 2018, the findings will help future scientists gain a better understanding of how galaxies form. Number 14. Oil and gas on Saturn's moon. The Cassini spacecraft of NASA discovered in 2017 that Titan, Saturn's largest moon, contains a lot of organic material formed by carbon-containing compounds on its surface, including methane, ethane, and other organic compounds. According to researchers, the number of liquid hydrocarbons in one energy-rich lake could be greater than all of Earth's oil and gas reserves combined. Number 15. Magnetic turbulence in space. It has been discovered by scientists working with NASA's magnetospheric multi-scale spacecraft that a new magnetic event may be near the Earth. There is a process known as magnetic reconnection that happens anywhere there are charged gases called plasma present. This process took place in a turbulent region of Earth's outer atmosphere known as the magnetosheath. This finding can be used by scientists to understand how the magnetic event might affect Earth's atmosphere, as well as astronauts, satellites, and signals that travel through space. And finally, number 16, first photograph of a black hole. There has been the first piece of direct visual evidence of a black hole to be shared with the world on the morning of April 10th, 2019. Up until this point, many believed that black holes were unseeable. During the course of the project, more than 200 researchers coordinated a global network of telescopes to create a virtual telescope the size of the Earth to image the supermassive black hole at the center of Messier 87. Also known as M87, which is more than 55 million light-years from the Earth. It was Katie Booman, a 29-year-old computer scientist at the time, who played a major role in the invention of the algorithm that made this technology possible. And that's it for today's video. Tell us in the comments what you feel about these discoveries. And also, thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, then don't forget to press that thumbs up button and also that hot red subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.